Vitamin E beauty benefits. Vitamin E has been around in skincare for a long time, which is why it's so easily overshadowed by the newer, fancier-sounding ingredients. As it turns out, this workhorse ingredient shouldn't be overlooked, it's doing more to help protect your skin than you might realize. Vitamin E is the collective name for a group of fat-soluble compounds with distinctive antioxidant activities. Of the 8 compounds in this group, gamma-tocopherol is the most present in the foods we eat, while alpha-tocopherol is most commonly found in human tissues and dietary supplements. Salmon, broccoli, spinach, cereals, sunflower seeds and hazelnuts, and vegetable oils like wheat germ and safflower are all good food sources of gamma-tocopherol and have anti-inflammatory properties. With so many yummy foods to choose from, vitamin E deficiency is pretty rare. Vitamin E works to strengthen our immune systems, help us fight off bacteria and viruses, and protect us against free radicals in the environment. Here are some of the benefits of vitamin E on your skin. Prevent signs of aging when skin is exposed to UV light, smoke and air pollution. It produces free radicals and other rogue molecules that damage collagen, your skin's support structure, DNA and skin cells, all of which ultimately contributes to wrinkles and brown spots. Vitamin E fights those effects by neutralizing the free radicals. The process of protecting your skin depletes your stores of the vitamin quickly, though. Research has shown that even after a small amount of UV exposure, what you might get just going into and out of the office, or while running errands, levels of vitamin E in the skin drop by 50%. Skin brightening free radicals can also prevent the healing of scars, so applying vitamin E oil will help to repair and improve the appearance of the damaged tissue. Hair growth. Vitamin E stimulates hair growth because it contains antioxidants that improve the circulation of blood to all parts of our body, including the scalp. Gently massage vitamin E onto your scalp before bed for best results. Hydrate skin because vitamin E lives in and protects cell membranes, which form a barrier around cells to keep them healthy and hydrated. It indirectly helps skin stay moisturized and supple. Plus, along with being an effective antioxidant, vitamin E also fights inflammation. One study of people with a condition called atopic dermatitis, which causes red, itchy, irritated skin, found that those who consumed vitamin E got significant relief. Improves dry skin in general. Vitamin E oil is rich and thick and loved by many for its ability to improve dry, flaky skin. Like coconut oil, you can use vitamin E oil on your cuticles and lips to prevent and soothe chapped skin. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.